What is happening, people? Ryan here from makeasalesfunnel.com, and welcome to this 100% free step-by-step course that is going to teach you exactly how to build a sales funnel from scratch for free with zero expertise or knowledge. Now, this may seem hard to believe, but it's going to be right in front of you. Every single video will actually cover a specific topic. Now, we've broken this down into 5 steps. Those steps are going to teach you exactly what funnel software is best for you, how to build a killer sales funnel. It's so much easier than you think. Our best marketing strategy for high conversion rates, and actually how to automate those strategies as well to get passive sales and passive customers through your funnel to your product or service. And then also how to sustain this, okay? So how to sustain a constant flow of traffic to your funnel. So we're gonna go through different types of ads, all sorts, okay? So a lot to learn, but I break it down very, very simply. Now, you can actually go to makeasalesfunnel.com/start, and this is where all of the free information is going to be. Every one of these 5 steps will have a video version as well as a blog that you can read further into. And then right underneath every step will be the resources that it's correlating to, okay? So anything that you need will be directly on this page. Now, without further ado, I think we should just get straight into it. So this first video is going to cover software, okay? So specifically funnel building software. So what is a funnel builder? A funnel builder is simply a piece of software or an online tool that you can use to create your funnel. It is as simple as it sounds. So there are a few things that you need to look out for when selecting your software. So the first one would be ease of use. Now, we want to save as much valuable time as possible, so we recommend a builder that has drag and drop elements with a live editor, so you can make changes in real time. Then there is custom templates. So, if you're not an expert, pre-installed templates are a great way to get started selling online, especially if you want to sell as soon as possible. And if you have zero expertise, right? You don't want to create a funnel from scratch if you don't have the right marketing skills to implement. Now, we're actually going to give you this for free in this course on this page, so that's not really anything to worry about. However, if you do want to start selling straight away, then templates are good for you. Now, we want to make sure that we are getting as many features as possible because our aim is to get sales, right? So we want endless features that help us achieve our goals no matter what the campaign is or what funnel that we build. On top of this, we want the ability to have your own custom domain or URL. So in the search bar, that will help you create trust with users, okay? No one buys from a sketchy site, especially a weird looking URL. There's literally nothing worse to drop conversion rates on websites or funnels. And simply, we just want something that looks good, right? We want a software that is going to give us updated, modern looking funnels, okay? So it's a must that your funnel builder looks slick, professional, and up to date so people don't click out of your funnel before you just make a sale. Also, we want our funnel builder to be responsive, okay? Fully compatible no matter what device you are on. So in other words, on a desktop, tablet, or a mobile device, your funnel builder has to provide fully responsive widgets to resize no matter what device you are on. Now, these last 3 are probably the most important when it comes to keeping the customer satisfied. But our search for a sales funnel builder doesn't stop there. I'm pretty sure that price is definitely something you've got your eye on. Well, like I said, you can start today with zero money. That is the course that we're giving you for free, and this is also the software that we're going to give you. You can start today for free and with zero knowledge and zero experience. Now, me and my team for the past 3 years have tried every single sales funnel builder, under the sun, from the big brands to the underdogs. And there's always one that we end up coming back to. And that is probably one that you've actually heard of before. And that is called Clickfunnels. Now, if you haven't heard of this, I don't know where you've been because they are probably the biggest brand in terms of sales funnel builders that you can get. And it's brilliant. There are so many features that keep coming out and it's so simple to use. So why Clickfunnels? First of all, a free 14-day trial means that you can start right now. There are no more excuses, guys. You can actually start selling. If you have a product to sell, of course, you can start selling straight away if you implement these strategies correctly. So let's get to the money. Also, if you haven't heard of ClickFunnels before, there are 100,000 active users that are using it, every single day across the globe. 5.91 million funnels have been built so far, and $4.2 billion have been processed just using this software alone. Okay, so this is no small deal. This is totally a big deal, and I really want to show you how to do it. So on top of this, okay, and this is where the icing is on the cake, especially when you get this for free, it meets every single one of these criteria that we've just gone over. So ease of use, templates, features, a custom URL, looks good, responsive, price, zero knowledge or expertise. I don't think there's much more on the market that can give you everything here. So you know what? Without further ado, let's get straight into this and let's start building our sales funnels. So make sure you click out of this video, stay on this page, makeasalesfunnel.com/start, and right underneath on this step 1, there's going to be a button that you can press which will take you to a free 14-day trial. It's literally you set up in a couple of minutes, and then open this side by side, click on video number 2, and follow me once again. I'm going to teach you exactly how to start building your first sales funnel.